When you start a new drawing in AutoCAD, it is best practice to use a template file. In this case, I've set the units to architectural and precision to 1/16 of an inch. I've also changed some of the settings. For example, I've set snap and grid to the values that I want, 1/4 of an inch and 1/2 an inch. I've changed many other values as well. So let's save this file as a template file. Save as, AutoCAD Drawing Template, and I'm going to give it a name which will be saved inside the template folder. You can save it to any folder you wish. The file name will be called Architectural. And when I save that file, there's a couple of other things I need to do. The first is to give it a brief description. So in this case, I'm just going to say use for architectural projects. And the second thing I have to do is determine the measurement. So from the drop-down list, select English. Click on OK. So I now have a DWT file, and when I click on New, we can see that architectural template file is now listed. Click on Open, and I can start my design.